What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. Today we are going to be making a highly requested cocktail that many people requested called the Naked and Famous. The Naked and Famous is another Joaquín Simó cocktail and arguably his most famous cocktail from the days that he was at Death & Company. Marius made the argument that I probably should have opened the Joaquín Simó conversation on this channel with this cocktail because it is definitely a cocktail that has traveled the globe on menus. It is very, very famous. A lot of people love it. A lot of people like it. And basically what it is, or the way Joaquín Simó described this cocktail was, it's basically like an illicit love affair between a paper plane and a last word. And it contains mezcal. So let's get into the cocktail, and we may discuss further, or we may just be arrested into complete submission by the amazingness of this drink. We'll see. So first thing we're going to do, 3/4 of an ounce of mezcal. Now you're seeing my bad habits come out because I should have started with the least expensive ingredient first in case you mess up. That's just, if you're bartending, that's what you do. 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. 3/4 of an ounce of Aperol. Oh, drop the cap on the floor. And then 3/4 of an ounce of yellow Chartreuse. It looks like this cocktail may kill the bottle. No, it's definitely not going to kill the bottle, but we're getting close to the end, so I'm going to have to re-up. Yellow Chartreuse, 3/4 of an ounce. And there you have it. That is all. Let's get our ice into our tin. And shake it. I'm using hand-cut ice, so it's going to take a more robust shake today. All right. All right, let's get the hair out of my face. Sorry, guys, it's working on my OCD. And strain the cocktail. And this cocktail calls for no garnish. Let's taste it. Again, just a freaking, such a well-balanced cocktail. It's like amazing. So all the ingredients, once again, Joaquín Simó, you've done it. All the ingredients just build one off the other. The Aperol, it's like you can taste all of them together, and you can taste them all separately at the same time. It is so good. You got the smokiness. You got the yellow Chartreuse right on the nose. You've got the tartness of the lime, which isn't, and then the Aperol just plays into that. It's like a 1-2 punch of awesomeness. So there you have it, my friends. Joaquín Simó's Naked and Famous.